everybody, welcome to EA Motors. This is disassembly and reassembly of an Xbox Series S/X controller. First thing you have to do is remove any batteries or battery pack, and there's going to be a sticker here that you're going to have to remove. There's a screw under there, so you're going to have to remove that. And what you're probably going to need, what you are going to need to do is take a small flathead screwdriver and get it kind of wedged under there. It's important you keep all your pieces in check so you don't lose anything and you remember where they go and in what way. Okay, now after you do that, there are 4 screws. 5. One here, 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 and here. I believe you need a TR8-bit. What I like to do is keeping the screws in the lid of my screwdriver. This is an electric screwdriver, it just does it faster. I don't know where I got it. This tool is very useful if you take apart tech. And the last screw, try not to lose any screws, but if you lose like one, it's not too big of a deal. Doesn't have any screws. And now what you can do is remove the front plate and the back plate. And that is how you get to here. Just basically without the shell. You could still play it like this. Okay, so these little connectors, if you're going deeper, you want to take these off and take the joysticks off. It's not hard, it's just pulling on them. Now, you can see 2 little itty bitty screws there, right there, and right there. If you want to take those off, you're going to need a T6 screw. Okay, now when you remove those 2 screws, this will just lift up. You gotta beware though of try not to rip the cables. If you want to remove these, it's as simple as prying this up. They're not very easy to break, don't worry. And then this will come out with some effort. You might need to pry on it a little bit. There we go. After the first side, it's easy to get the second off. We're gonna stop here. If you want to see more, comment down below for part 2. And to show your support, please subscribe and like.